beneath the vast blue surface of the Pacific Ocean. Far beyond the reach of sunlight lies the deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench. A scar in the ocean floor stretching more than 2,500 kilometers long and nearly 70 kilometers wide. It is a world of crushing pressure, permanent darkness, and extraordinary life. This is the story of the deepest point on our planet. The Mariana Trench was formed millions of years ago. It lies at the boundary between two massive tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Sea Plate. As the Pacific Plate slowly moves westward, it is forced beneath the smaller plate in a process known as subduction. Over time, this movement carved a vast, crescent-shaped trench into the Earth's crust. It is not a crack, but a deep fold in the ocean floor, a reminder that our planet is constantly shifting. Even now, the trench continues to change. Earthquakes are common here. The Earth is never truly still. The deepest point of the Mariana Trench is called Challenger Deep. It reaches nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. To understand this depth, imagine placing Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, inside the trench. Its peak would still remain more than a kilometer underwater. As we descend through the ocean, sunlight fades at around 200 meters. By 1,000 meters, complete darkness takes over. Below this point lies the midnight zone, a realm where the sun has never shone. The temperature hovers just above freezing, and the pressure becomes almost unimaginable. At the bottom of the trench, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It is equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a single human body. No ordinary vessel could survive here. And yet, life exists. In this hostile environment, organisms have adapted in remarkable ways. Translucent fish drift silently through the darkness. Giant amphipods, shrimp-like creatures, scavenge along the seabed. Some species produce their own light through a process known as bioluminescence. Flashes of blue and green shimmer in the void. In 2016, scientists discovered a new species of snailfish living deeper than any fish previously recorded. Its body is soft and fragile, perfectly adapted to withstand immense pressure. These creatures challenge what we once believed about the limits of life on Earth. If life can survive here, could it survive elsewhere in the universe? Despite covering more than 70% of our planet, the deep ocean remains largely unexplored. In 1960, two explorers, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, descended to the bottom of Challenger Deep aboard the submersible Trieste. Their journey took nearly 5 hours. They remained at the bottom for just 20 minutes. Outside their small vessel, darkness and pressure surrounded them completely. More than 50 years later, in 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a solo descent in the deep-sea Challenger. He described the seafloor as desolate, lunar, almost featureless. In recent years, advanced robotic missions have mapped the trench in greater detail. Yet even today, we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the depths of our own oceans. Perhaps most surprising of all, human influence has reached even here. Plastic waste and microplastics have been found in the Mariana Trench. In some of the deepest recorded samples, scientists have discovered chemical pollutants inside marine organisms. Even at the most remote point on Earth, our actions leave a mark. The trench, once thought untouchable, is not beyond our reach. The Mariana Trench is more than a geological wonder. It helps scientists understand how tectonic plates move. It offers insight into extreme ecosystems. It may even hold clues to the origins of life itself. Hydrothermal vents and deep-sea microbes reveal how organisms can thrive without sunlight. Studying these systems may guide future research into medicine, climate science, and even space exploration. The deep ocean regulates our climate. It absorbs carbon. It shapes weather patterns across the globe. What happens in the deep affects us all. We have walked on the moon. We have sent spacecraft beyond our solar system. And yet, the deepest place on our own planet remains largely mysterious. The Mariana Trench reminds us that Earth is still a frontier. a place of darkness, of pressure, of life against the odds. Beneath the waves, far from human sight, our planet holds secrets still waiting to be discovered. And perhaps the greatest adventures are not above us, but below.